In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a photo reel on Instagram from your gallery. Open the Instagram app and start by tapping the plus icon at the bottom of the screen, or simply swipe right from your feed to open the camera. Once you're on the creation screen, swipe along the options at the bottom and select Reel. This tells Instagram you're building a vertical short-form video rather than a story or a post. Next, tap the gallery icon in the bottom left corner, the little square with a plus sign. This opens your camera roll so you can pull in existing photos. Select multiple photos, up to 10 in total. You can tap to choose them in the order you want them to appear. When you're ready, hit Next using the arrow in the bottom right. Instagram will auto-sync your photos to a suggested music track, instantly turning them into a slideshow with transitions. You can accept the suggestion, choose a different track, skip music entirely, or add your own. If the pacing doesn't feel right, adjust the timing by dragging the edges of each photo on the timeline. You can also tap the scissor icon to trim and fine-tune the duration, so each image holds on screen exactly as long as you want. Now, personalize your reel. Use the menu on the left to add effects, text, stickers, or adjust speed. Effects can change the look of your slideshow, while text and stickers help add context or highlight key moments. Keep text high contrast and away from the edges so it's easy to read on different screens. Press the play button to preview anytime and make sure everything flows with your chosen music. When you're happy, tap share, add a caption that explains your reel, and choose a cover image to make it eye-catching in your grid. You can select a frame from the reel or pick a separate image from your gallery so it looks polished before you post. A few quick tips to level up your photo reels. First, try templates. Tap the template icon before adding photos to automatically fit them into trending formats. Great for timing, cuts to the beat with zero guesswork. Second, add subtle motion by applying effects like zoom or pan from the effects gallery. A little movement makes slides feel more dynamic. And if you need more than 10 photos, edit them in an app like CapCut or InShot first, export as a video, and then upload that video as your reel. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Instagram tips and tutorials.